Good afternoon, children. How are you all? I hope you all are good. In previous classes, we learned multiplications. Exercise 5.3, 5.4, 5.6, 5.5, 5.6. Multiply by one digit number, two digit number multiply by one digit number, three digit number multiply by one digit number, and four digit number multiply by one digit number. In yesterday's class, we learned. In today's class, exercise 5.7 bits. Now I am going to explain exercise 5.7. So take out the notebooks, all of you. Sit properly. Sit right, all of you. On your videos, children. Exercise 5.7. First one. Find 3 into 4 into 5. Find 3 into 4 into 5 and 3 into 4 into 5. 3 into 4 into 5. What do you find? What do you find? Find 3 into 4 into 5 and 3 into 4 into 5. Here two multiplications are given. See once here, two multiplications are there. First one, 3 into 4 into 5 and 3 into 4 into 5. Here one of the problem, next another problem. But same numbers, see children here, same numbers. Three numbers are given, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. But here grouping is different. Here 3 into 4 grouped. Next in this multiplication 4 into 5 is grouped. Okay, grouping is changed. Just numbers are same numbers. First 3 into 4. 3 fours are 3 fours are 12. 3 fours are 12. 12 into 5 and 3 into 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. Next 12 into 5. 12 5s are, just you have to do multiplication. 12 5s are 60. And 3 20s are 23s are 60. 23s are also 60. Here in this multiplication also we get 60. In this multiplication also we get answer 60. Both are equal answer. Both are same answer. So both multiplications are equal multiplications. What do you find? What do you find? Both are equal. Both multiplications are equal. Right there. Both multiplications are equal. 3 into 4 into 5 equals 3 into 4 into 5. Okay, both are equal. What do you find? We find both multiplications are equal. This is only answer. Okay, first given multiplications, first step, write down. Okay, once again I am explaining. Listen children. Yet two problems are given boy. 3 into 4 into 5, one problem. Next 3 into 4 into 5, one more problem. Two problems. Both problems are given. Both problems are, you have to do first. First problem, 3 4s are 12. 12 into 5. Next 3 into 4 5s are 4 into 5. 20. 3 into 20. 12 5s are 60. 23s are also 60. Both multiplications are equal. What do you find? We have find. What we have to find here? Two multiplications are equal. This multiplication and this multiplication equal. Just I write that one only. Both multiplications are equal. Just 3 into 4 into 5 equal to 3 into 4 into 5. From these multiplications, what we have to find? Just we have to find both multiplications are equal. How can we get equal? Just multiply with multiplication. 3 4s are 12, 12 5s are 60. 3 into 4 5s are 20. 23 is also 60. Both multiplications are, we get answer is 60 only. So these are equal. Next I will explain one more problem. See children once. Find second one. Find 5 into 6 into 8. 5 into 6 into 8. 3 multiplications here. 3 times. 5 into 6. 6 into 8. And 5 into 6 into 8. 5 into 6 into 8. Both multiplications are given here. What do you find from these multiplications? What do you find? What do you find? Find out. First this multiplication right here. 5 into given multiplications are right first instead. And first 5 into 6 into 8. Next 9. One more multiplication. 5 into 6 into 8. First these multiplications do. Multiply these two numbers. First we have to do these numbers multiplication. 5 and 6. What is the product of 5 and 6? 5 6 are 5 6 are 30. First write 30. 30 into 8. 5 into first these two numbers multiplication. 6 8s are 48. 48. Next 30 into 8. 38s are 38s are 8 zeros are 0. 8 threes are 24. 240. Okay. Next 48 into 5. Do multiplication. 48 into 5. 5 8s are 40. 4 carry 0 right in the answer. Next 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 4 24. What is the answer? 240. Here and here. In both multiplications are we get 240. Equal answer. Both are equal answer. So what do you find? We find both multiplications are equal. Write that answer only. Both multiplications are equal and you have to write with symbol. Both are equal. These multiplication equal to these multiplication. Why these multiplications are equal? They get answer, same answer. In this multiplication also 240. Answer is 240. In this multiplication also answer is 240. That's why both multiplications are equal. So we have to write with symbol, equal symbol, right and right. Yes, both multiplications are equal. Okay, both multiplications are equal. This inverse we written. Okay, both multiplications are equal. This one is inverse. We have to write symbolical. How can we write symbolical? This multiplication equal to this multiplication. Both multiplications are equal. This multiplication equal to this multiplication. 5 into 6 into 8 and 5 into 6 into 8. Okay, right children? One more problem also. Now I will explain. If you have any doubt, last 5 minutes you ask me. Okay, write down first. Next one, third one. See third one. Find 6 into 5 into 2. Find. How I am reading, once you listen carefully. Problem. 6 into 5 into 2. 6 into 5 into 2. And 6 into 5 into 2. 6 into 5 into 2. Okay. What do you find? What do you find? First step we have to write what given question. Write down first step. In first step, what given question. In question, what given problem. That step only write down. First, what given here? 6 into 5 into 2 and 6 into 5 into 2. Okay, na? In first step, we have to write what given question. Right. Next, 2 multiplication. First, these 2 multiplication. These 2 numbers do multiplication. 6 5s are. What is the answer of 6 5s are? 6 into 5. Yes, 30. 30 into 2. And 6 into 5 into 2. 5 2s are. 5 2s are 10. 10. 32s are 30 into 2. 32s are 60. 60 and 6 tens are 60. So both are equal answer. Both multiplications are here. That answer is equal. This multiplication get answer 60. This multiplication also get answer 60. So multiplications are equal. Both multiplications are equal. Right. What do you find? Both are equal. Equal. Same, right? That one. 6 into 5 into 2 and 6 into 5 into 2. Okay? Shall I explain one more? In that bit, in first bit, 5 problems are there. I already said 3 problems. If you want one more problem also, I will say. Shall I say, children? Next, fourth one. Find 7 into 3 into 4. 7 into 3 into 4. And 7 into 3 into 4. What do you find? Okay. First step, same. Given problem side down first of all. 7 into 3 into 4. 7 into 3 into 4. 7 into, as is write down. 3 into 4 do. Do 3 into 4. 3 4s are. Do you know tables? If you don't know tables, first you learn tables. 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. 7 into 12. Next, 7 into 3. 7 3s are 7 3s are 21. 21 into 4. 12 7s are 12 7s are 12 7s are 84. If you have any doubt, if you don't know table, first take table book also. Just you have to see in table book. 12 7. What is 7 12s are? 12 7s are 84. 84. Next to 21 4s are 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. What is the answer? 84. Here in this multiplication we get answer 84. In this multiplication also we get answer 84. So both are equal. Both multiplications are equal. Okay. What do you find? We find both multiplications are equal. Next right. That multiplication. Right. Seven into 3 into 4 equal 7 into 3 into 4. Right, equal. Okay, next, fifth one. Try to your own children. Same as is this like only. First, you try it. If you don't know, in next class I will say. Or you call me. Okay, first you try to your own. Try it first of all. Next, second bit. Okay, what is second bit? Find the result in the following. in the following. Verify whether they are equal or not. Equal or not. Just find the results in the following. First, what given? First, find out the result and verify whether they are equal or not. Given problem is equal or not once you observe. Okay, first. What is first one? 2 into 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. And 2 into 9. 2 into 9. See children, here also same. This is the one of the problem, this is the one of the problem. First 2 into 4 plus 9. 2 into 4 plus 9. 4 plus 5 and 2 into 9. First do this one. 2 into 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5. Add and say answer. 4 and 5. Add and say answer. 4 plus 5. What is the answer? 4 plus 5. Very good. Rumeza, what is the answer? 9. Very good. 9. 2 into 9. And 2 into 9. 2 nines up. 2 nines up. 18. 2 nines up. 18. And 2 nines also 18. Here also both are equal or not? Yes. Find the results in the following. You find out the result. This is the result. Here 2 into 4 plus 5 equal to 18. And 2 nines also 18. Verify whether they are equal or not. These are equal or not? Yes, these are equal. So write 2 into 4 plus 5 equal 2 into 9. Okay? Did you understand this one? I will explain one more. Remaining one, try to your mode. Okay, children? Second one. 5 into 3 plus 6. 5 into 3 plus 6. And 5 into 9. This is the question. Right. First 5 into 3 plus 6. And 5 into 9. 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is 6 plus 3. 9. Just 3 plus 6 is 9. Vaishnavi, sit right, Amma. Vaishnavi. Apala Vaishnavi. Sit properly. Look at the board. Okay. 5 into 3 plus 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. 5 into 9. 9 5 into 9. 5 9s are 45. And 5 9s also 45. So both are equal. This one get 45. 5 9s also get 45. 5 into 3 plus 6 equal to 45. 5 9s are 45. So both are equal. 5 into 3 plus 6 equal 5 into 9. Next one more. In second bit also 5 problems are there. I am explaining 3 problems. Remaining 2, try to your own. 4 into 7 plus 3. 4 into 7 plus 3 and 4 into 10. 4 into 10. 4 into 7 plus 3 and 4 into 10. 7 plus 3. 7 after 3 count and say answer. 7 plus 3 is 8, 9, 10. 7 plus 3, 10. 4 into 10. And 4 into 10. 4 tens are 40. And 4 tens also 40. So both are equal. Yes? 2 problems are equal. So right. 4 into 7 plus 3 equal 4 into 10. Okay? Did you understand, children? First bit and second bit from exercise 5.7. In first bit, one more problem is there, and in second bit, 2 problems are there. 3 problems homework. Okay, try to your own. If you have any doubt, call me. Okay. In next class, I will explain exercise 5.8 and 5. Exercise oral. Okay, Bodige Rajesh. What is your doubt, boy? Bodige Rajesh. Okay, Bodige Harish. Raise your hand, boy. Bodige Harish. And Adnan. Adnan also, before you raised a hand. Harish also. If you have any doubt, raise your hand, ask freely. Put a hand Rajesh. Okay, did you understand, children? Okay. Thank you, children.